In this chapter, we have 4 types of roots. The first one, let's look at this. The roots are real and distinct roots, and the curve intersect the x-axis at 2 points. Means that the formula will be b squared minus 4ac more than 0. Alright, the second type of root is when the roots are irreal and equal, the curve touches x-axis at 1 point, the x-axis is a tangent to the curve. So you have to apply the formula of b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. The third case is there's no roots, no real roots. The curve does not intersect the x-axis. Means that the formula will be b squared minus 4ac less than 0. And the fourth case is the roots are real. When they talk about a real root, you have to apply the formula of b squared minus 4ac more than or equal to 0. Alright, so there are 4 types of root. Always remember how to apply this. Let's go to the question. So the first question is, you have a quadratic equation over here, and you need to find the range of value of m when there are 2 distinct roots. So you know that when to find distinct roots, 2 distinct roots, you have to apply the formula of b squared minus 4ac more than 0. So to apply this formula, making sure that this equation is a general form. In this case, it is not, then change it into a general form and label your a, b, c. So your a here is 2, b is your negative 1, and c is negative m plus 1. So in this case, let's apply the value. Alright, so this is the value, and it is applied into the formula. So negative 1 squared, you'll get 1. Negative 4 times 2 times negative m, you will get positive 8m. Negative 4 times 2 plus 1, you will get a negative 8 over here. So 1 minus 8, you will get negative 7 more than 0. 8m more than 7, and m is 7 over 8. So this is the range of values of m, the range over here. Next, given a quadratic equation of this has no roots. No roots means you have to apply the formula of b squared minus 4ac less than 0. So in this case, this is not general form. Let's make it a general form. So bring everything to one side and it is equal to 0. Now a is your 3 minus h, b is your negative 4, and c is 1. So applying this formula, you know that your b is negative 4, a is 3 minus h, and c is 1. So 4 squared is 16, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, negative 4 times negative h is positive 4h less than 0. So 4 plus 4h less than 0, 4h less than negative 4, h is less than negative 1. So this is your final answer. The third question will be on 2 equal roots. So 2 equal roots means that you have to apply b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. In this case, you have to change this equation, quadratic equation, into a general form. So let's bring everything to one side. And make it equal to 0. So in this case, you know that your a is m, your b is negative 1 minus 2m, which is negative 1 plus 2m, and c will be m minus 3. So in this case, apply everything into it, the formula, maybe square minus 4ac, apply the value in. For a, which is m, your c is m minus 3 equal to 0. So this is with square. So to expand this, very easy. Make sure your unknown is in front. then it will be easy for you to expand it. To expand a quadratic power, first make this equal to square it. So 2m, you square it, you will get 4m squared. Then 2m times negative 1, you will get negative 2m. Negative 2m times 2, you will get negative 4m. And the last part will be negative 1 squared, we will get positive 1. And then copy whatever on the back and equal to 0. So negative 4m, cut it away. I'm sorry, this is having an m here because 4m squared, 4m times 3, you get 12m here. So negative 4m plus 12m, you will get 8m, and plus 1, just plus 1, equal to 0. So 8m equal to negative 1, m will be then equal to negative 1 divided 8. So this is your m answer.